Adding vector files. In this tutorial video, you will learn how to add vector files to the map. When we click the Upload File option from the File actions on the left menu, the file type to be uploaded is selected in the panel that opens. The file of the file type selected from your device is uploaded to the map as a layer. The uploaded file is listed in the layer box. If you want to upload more than one file quickly, click the Multiple File Upload button on the File Actions menu. After clicking the Multiple File Upload button, the files to be uploaded are selected after entering the coordinate information in the panel that appears, and the selected files are added to the map as a layer. Uploaded layers are listed in the Layers box. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.